Today we're going to talk about a fundamental shift in the way that we need to educate our new workforce and our new educators of the future. I haven't seen a change like this since the late 1990s. What we're seeing with Gen AI is it's moving even more rapidly than the internet did. And it's affecting fundamentally the way that our students are learning and the workforce is changing.
Is it unleashing creativity and innovation? Or is it unleashing the end of the world? I mean, those are the 2 points we often hear. Is this something that's really great, or is this something really dangerous? And I think, like most technologies, it's a double-edged sword.
Our regulation and policymaking needs to look at infrastructure, which includes the data sets, the technical structures that underlie it, who is creating these, the institutions involved, and identifying those stakeholders for any policy future interventions.
There's one thing that artificial intelligence has not really cracked the code on, and that is how artificial intelligence, using man-made coding, understands ethical decision-making.
From a cyber lens, this question of how do we create secure environments, but most importantly, how do we create environments that let us put as much of our knowledge and treasure in motion as possible is going to be an equal challenge.
Generative AI is a fundamental shift in the way that we think and the way that we can get work done.
As a self-governing society, how do we know what we think we know? What we know and how we make decisions upon what we know can change dramatically, and that impacts our entire constitutional structure.
Artificial intelligence will make it extremely difficult for people to distinguish between reality and fantasy.
It's more than just asking great prompts and figuring out how to incorporate. It's all of those things. It's building the chips, it's supplying the electricity, it's the data centers, it's the electricians, it's the engineers, it's the computer scientists, it's that whole ecosystem that you have to build for that future. We've got a good start in Ohio, but people are always chasing you.
We don't have all the answers because we don't have all the questions.
There's so much work going on in this space, and my hypothesis is a fair amount of it is overlapping.
If we work together with technology or universities, the bright people that we have here will advance much faster, but we got to get in the game.
How we do business, how we conduct our operations will impact the future economy of the state of Ohio.
Those that embrace it are going to find new ways of working that we can't even imagine today.